Welcome to Cooking with Chaya. Today we are going to make chicken with olives. So today I have chicken thighs that I took off the skin and the extra fat and washed and put it in a pot. I'm turning the stove on medium. I'm taking 2 jars of olives, green olives. It can be in a can, and I just drain the water. Next, you add in a small pack of tomato paste. I added water and I'm taking the rest of the tomato paste. I mix in the tomato paste and the olives all around. And now I just need to add some spices. We add in paprika, garlic, cumin, cayenne pepper, a little bit depending on your taste, and a little bit of basil. A spoon of paprika, a spoon of garlic, cumin, cayenne, I added like a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, but it's depend on your taste. And I'm adding like a 1/2 spoon of basil. I'm mixing it, and then I let it cook for about an hour 15 minutes, depend how big is your chicken pieces. As you notice, I didn't add any salt because the olives are salt enough, but taste it in the end, and if you like it a little bit saltier, add salt. An hour passed, and look at the chicken, it looks beautiful. That will be served with white rice, and the meal is ready. This is it, the chicken is ready. Thank you and enjoy.